Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Look at this beautiful truck we've got for you today. This is a 2022 Chevy Silverado LT Trail Boss with the 6.2 liter V8 engine and a ton of fantastic packages. This has only 58,000 kilometers on it. It is a certified pre-owned vehicle, a one owner, and it is an OMS original, which means it was bought here, serviced here, and traded here. Now, this has the Trail Boss Premium package, the safety package, the convenience package, and the trailering package. And we're going to tell you what all those great things are right now. But first, let's talk about what is underneath this beautiful Trail Boss hood. We've got a 6.2 liter V8 engine that is connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission. You can tow over 9,000 pounds with this beast. And come on, look at the color. This electric blue absolutely suits the Trail Boss. Now, if you were wondering what a Trail Boss gives you, it has a 2-inch lift, the HD air filter, heavy-duty air filter, skid plates underneath, monotube shocks, off-road suspension. Let's have a look at that. We've got these great looking 20-inch alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires. Have a look at the off-road suspension with those shocks. There are skid plates underneath. This has a 2-inch factory lift, the raised hood, red recovery hooks at the front, the dual exhaust. I mean, the RST alone is a huge package. Then add on the premium package. We'll talk about that in a moment, but first let's explore more of this beautiful exterior. We have the Z71 badge right up front here. We've got the black mirror caps with the LED turn signals in them. We have window vent visors. Now usually that's an indication that maybe the previous owner was a smoker, but not this time. This is a non-smoker vehicle. And we have the rough country side steps. That's the second time I've seen the rough country steps on a truck recently, so good for them. They're a great looking truck. They look a little bit more off-road than the traditional side steps, so I love that. Now around the back, same upgraded suspension in the rear. All right, so it's still capable of all your off-road, and then of course we got this beautiful Trail Boss badge right across the back. Now, previous owner put on a soft tonneau cover, so that's about an $1,100-$1,200 accessory that you don't go having to buy after picking this up, which is great news. Around the back, the black Chevy stamped into the back of this power tailgate. I love that. Dual exhaust, tow hitch receiver. This is already wired. There's an integrated trailer brake controller as well as part of that trailering package. Now, you did hear me correctly. It is a power tailgate, so you can drop the tailgate with the click of the key fob. It would have been smarter if I had it. That's what I was going to do, but I don't have it. It's in the truck. Power tail, so it'll drop down automatically. There's also a button inside that will do it. Now, having a look in the back, we've got the factory applied spray on bed liner. We also have a 400-watt power outlet in the back, so you can have some really great times tailgating with that power outlet. That's what I use it for. It's been fantastic for me. I love that. Now, coming around the passenger side, we want to show you all four corners of this truck because you're probably looking at this thinking, is this my next truck? Well, lucky you if it is, and you're going to get a great look at it watching this video. Wait until you see the inside. Now, this is a certified pre-owned vehicle, so with that, you get a much more rigorous inspection. They go through this truck top to bottom. You get a 3-month, 5,000 kilometer limited comprehensive warranty, 3 months of satellite radio as well, and a 30-day or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege. Now, up front, have a look at these beautiful LED headlights, LED driving lights, and then that signature red tow recovery hooks as part of the Trail Boss. Love that black Chevy bow tie, and of course the little Z71 badge down here. And then this hood, I mean, wow. Beautiful, and the fact that it's got the 6.2 underneath, I love that. All right, let's go take a look inside. Now, with the purchase of this, you're gonna get 4 free oil changes from us here at OMS. It's just a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us, so take us up on that. Now, look at the inside. So, this is part of that Silverado Trail Boss Premium package, and I'm sorry, I'm fumbling because I don't normally have to write down a list, but I had to write down a list for this. So one of the things you're going to get is this beautiful leather interior. Have a look at this. Look at all the legroom too in the crew cab. It's fantastic. We've got this great looking leather interior. We've got the little storage underneath here, a big center armrest. We have a power rear sliding window as well. Ventilation in the rear, USB ports back here, cup holders, and we even have the floor liners as well. So that's a nice accessory you're not going to have to buy. That, the side steps, the tonneau cover, I mean, you're doing good for accessories. Now up front, same beautiful leather seating. Again, non-smoker vehicle, power driver's seat. Now part of that premium package as well is we get our Bose audio system. All right, so that is really, really nice to have, obviously. Now let's hop in here, Z71 floor mats as well, just in case you didn't see that. All right, so hopping in, let's have a look at our interior here. And this is something really, really nice. Nice big center console. You can see the big 13-inch touchscreen, the 12-inch digital gauges. Now, the safety package in this gives you a really, really great list of features. Forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection. We've got lane keeping assist. We have blind zone monitor in the side view mirrors. We also have the blind zone with your trailer connected. So you do a little bit of configuration and you know the trailer's behind you. It's going to alert you if there's someone in your blind spot, even with a trailer, which is amazing. I mean, let's face it, that's always kind of a little of iffy situation on the highway making lane changes. So that's a big, nice feature to have. We have the HD surround monitor in here. I'm going to show you that in a moment or two when we get to this. Rear cross traffic alert with pedestrian detection as well. That is fantastic news. So as you're backing up your truck, if there's kids, bikes, something that comes flying across you, you're going to see that. It's going to warn you as well, which is great. Plus a lot of other fantastic safety features. That's just to highlight some of the big ones here. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel, black Chevy bow tie. Love that. Check out our digital gauges. Check out the odometer on the bottom left there, 58,240 clicks. Now, on the right-hand side and the left-hand side, you can customize what is being displayed here and on the other side with the buttons on the steering wheel. And there's a lot of different options as far as customization. Check out our different drive modes. We have the off-road mode, and then we've got the normal driving mode here. And then down below, we've got our trailer tow mode. You can see our 2-speed transfer case for the 4-wheel drive. It does have auto locking rear differential as well. And then our amazing light system here. The the Trail Boss gives you, I get confused between the two. The Trail Boss gives you some additional LED lights on the exterior of the truck as well, which is really nice to have. Okay, let's talk about this. I'm not going to go through every option. I'm just going to show you the coolest stuff that I like. First of all, navigation is hooked up to Google. It's powered by Google, so you get real-time traffic information. I love that. We also have, as part of the premium package, the Google Assistant. This is not just for navigation. This is your assistant. You can ask it what the Jays game score was. You can ask it what the weather is. It's just like your Google at home, and it is slowly rolling out where it is now powered by Google Gemini, which is AI, which is even smarter, even faster, even better. I love this. This is fantastic, okay? As you saw, we have navigation. We've got XM satellite radio as well. Great subscription to sign up to. Now, what I'm going to really suggest is sign up for the full OnStar suite with this. The reason being, we have Wi-Fi hotspot. So if your kids are always hopping in the car being like, can I hotspot your phone? With this, they hotspot the truck. They get in, they connect, you connect, all that cool stuff. And then you have Wi-Fi from your vehicle. It's really, really, really nice. I have it in mine. I love it. It just makes sense if you got kids in the car. The trailering app, this is fantastic, especially if you don't do a lot of towing. I love the fact that we have the trailer light check. We have the checklist. So again, if you don't tow very often, this is really helpful. You can hook up trailer cameras as well as part of that trailering package, which is really nice. So this is kind of cool when you tow. This is very helpful. More apps you can download via the Google Play Store, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Now, let's check out the surround view camera system. Top-down view, front camera, rear camera, right? Really nice. Now, want to hook up? Great view for that. You can just slowly back up and line up to your trailer really nice and easily. Top-down view for the front and the rear, so parking this bad boy is not as intimidating. Now, want to see a really cool view? Look at this. Where'd it go? Hold on. Hold on. There's a cool view here. I just want to find it. Where is it? Where are you? Hello. There's supposed to be, I thought, a cargo view. Maybe I'm wrong. I thought there was a cargo view. Anyhow, if you find it cool, let me know. I thought there was a cargo view, and essentially what it would have done is shown you your cargo in the back of your tailgate. I might be wrong, though. It's happened before. I'm not perfect. That's okay. That's why we do these videos. Listen, we could have edited this all out, but I want you to see the truck real time live as if you were here with us. We're not hiding anything. I'm also not hiding the fact I made a little mistake. But HD surround camera, it's fantastic even without that additional little view. Now, some of your safety systems here, there's that power tailgate too, so you can drop it right from here, which is neat. Our power rear sliding window. We've got dual zone climate control, your heated front seats, some USB ports, of course. The integrated trailer brake controller, which I love that. That's a nice accessory you don't have to buy. Our push button start. That push button start is hooked up to a remote starter right there on your key fob. Speaking of which, when you purchase this from Ontario Motor Sales, your key fob is protected for 3 years. And you might be saying, what does that mean? Well, that means if you lose it, drop it, throw it in the lake, we'll replace up to 2 key fobs in 3 years. And those beautiful 20-inch tires and wheels are also protected for 1 year against road hazards. So, you know, if you pop a tire or you, muck a wheel on a pothole, they will repair that for you as well. USB ports, we've got our wireless charging pad and a regular home outlet right here in this big center console, which all just makes sense. Tons of storage down there as well. And now don't go anywhere. Have a look at the vehicle file. This is some important information. OMS original. Check out the build sheet on this truck. Page after page after page of incredible package and features. Look at the convenience package there, the safety package. I mean, there is tons of info. This is all here for you to view when you come in to check out this truck. Here's our 4 free oil changes. Here is the Carfax, 1 owner, low kilometers, 8 service records. There is a small accident claim on here, minor and rear end collision, $13,674. Now, this has all been professionally repaired. You just saw the whole video. It looked absolutely fantastic. This includes HST, paint, parts, labor. If there was like a rental car coverage or anything like that, it's all wrapped up into that big tally. So don't let that scare you off. This is still a certified pre-owned vehicle, and it's an OMS original, and it is here with only 58,000 K. It has been priced accordingly. It is in absolutely gorgeous condition. And I mean, come on, look at how nice this is. You want to steal a truck for an incredible price, incredible value, this is the one to buy. Come check this out right here at Ontario Motor Sales. This is an absolute beauty. We can't wait to see who gets in the driver's seat. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon at OMS.